Come to this particular video, and to this particular video I'll be talking about the CTC plus withdrawal claim. So today being 1st of October, they have actually posted two updates about their token withdrawal. Look at the first one that was posted. Say hello CTC fans, good news for all airdrop participants. The claim period for referral reward has been extended till October 2nd 2025. We want to make sure every members of our community gets the best experience as per the CTC Plus family. Please check the reward menu regularly and claim your reward before the deadline. Starting today, we will begin the first distribution of the airdrop. Stay tuned for more updates coming soon. So one thing I think in my yesterday video, the video I did when I claim some of my referral reward, I discovered that there are some other hidden referral reward that I have not actually claimed because they were actually in batches. I only claimed the one for withdrawal for level 1. So yesterday when I was navigating the platform, I still see that I still have some about 59 CTC to claim and 121 CTC to still be claimed, which I said I will be doing the video before this particular update. And now look at what was actually posted at around 11 a.m. this today being October 4. They say airdrop distribution open. The CTC airdrop is officially live. Go claim your token now. So immediately I went to claim my token. Don't forget that if you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link will be available in the description of this particular video. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. So you can see that the interface of this particular CTC token has actually changed, but there's something I want to show you about the claiming of this particular airdrop. So when you come to this particular place, and you come to this particular and you tap on this particular place called airdrop, that is where you'll be able to claim. You see now, I was told that this is the airdrop which was 100 CTC token. You say airdrop reward which was from referral, you say 39, and you say total is 139. Then total claim, you could see now we have claim duration 23 hours 23 minutes and 32. I don't know the time that you might have been watching the. So what we just need to do is to tap on this particular claim, and this is where it begins to marvels me now. It say 100 CTC to be claimed. It say enter gas fees, but what I saw here is that it say available. It say available now, meaning we have to use CTC to claim. So I put one here that they should just deduct one CTC from the CTC I'm about to claim. So immediately I tap on claim. It say processing. It say please make a staking first. They're asking me to make a stake. This is what they are making compulsory for everyone on their platform. I look at something here. I immediately this one happened. I looked at this one that I say notice. Look at it say CTC plus require for airdrop gas fee, which was the first thing. We need CTC to for the gas fee. Now say claim airdrop, go straight to staking balance. It say claim airdrop, go to staking balance. Airdrop vested 100 per day period. So I picked this particular info. Brought it to this Grok AI to explain it further for better understanding. You look at the 40 CTC requires for gas fee. He said you need to spend some CTC token to pay the gas fee. The small cost to process this transaction, meaning we need CTC first. He said claim airdrop. He said go to staking balance. He said for us to be able to claim airdrop, he said once you claim the free token, they don't go straight. That means if you use CTC plus to claim it, you will not get the old 100 token at a go. Yes, he said it will go straight to your wallet. They don't go straight to your wallet for spending. Instead, they automatically add to your staking balance. Meaning any airdrop we claim now of CTC, it will go straight to our staking balance, like putting money in a saving. Look at it now. So already drop vested 100 CTC per day per gas fees rest random. You can't access all your free token right away. They vested unlock slowly at a rate of 100 token per day. So priority gas fees, some of the unlocked token may be set amount can be used first to paying transaction fee to keep the things going fast on the network. So This is what I actually saw. So immediately I saw things that it was going this way. What I did was that I came back to this particular home because airdrop are supposed to be free. We have actually used some BNB to claim some of the to do the KYC and everything. I don't actually know. So I come to this particular place called staking. If you go, you could see the API for staking is even high, 2,531 for staking. So I see on stake. I even tap on this on stake. I stay on stake and it look at what it told me. Then I say I want to invest it. Then I think, yeah, then I tap on, then I see claim. Then I tap on claim. You see the reward has been claimed. I think you can see. Then I go back here. I go back there. Then I come back straight to airdrop for me to be able to claim. I come back to this airdrop to CTC. I still tap on my claim. I still put one here. Is still telling me say make a staking first. I think what these people are just trying to do for us is to actually stake some CTC, to buy some CTC token. Then from there we'll be able to unlock our airdrop, and the airdrop that we'll be able to even unlock will still not be given to us at a go. It will still go back to the staking, which will be given on a daily basis. I don't know. I want I don't want to take decision for anybody. I want you to take the decision by yourself. This does it actually worth it buying CTC token for staking so that we'll be able to get our gas fee? Let the decision be on you. I'm just here to show you what I've been able to research about this particular token. So the decision is yours. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link is there in the description and also in the comment section of the particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so I get a 10 video, and share to everyone that participated on this CTC token so that they will know what they need to do for them to claim their airdrop. Thank you and bye bye for now.